Tata Motors Limited is an Indian multinational automotive company, headquartered in Mumbai and part of the Tata Group. The company produces cars, trucks, vans, and buses. Subsidiaries include British Jaguar Land Rover and South Korean Tata Daewoo. Tata Motors has joint ventures with Hitachi, Tata Hitachi Construction Machinery, and Stellantis, which makes vehicle parts for Fiat Chrysler and Tata-branded vehicles. On October 12, 2021, private equity firm TPG invested $1 billion in Tata Motors' electric vehicle subsidiary. Tata Motors has auto manufacturing and vehicle plants in Jamshedpur, Pantnagar, Lucknow, Sanand, Dharwad, and Pune in India, as well as in Argentina, South Africa, the United Kingdom, and Thailand. It has research and development centers in Pune, Jamshedpur, Lucknow, Dharwad, India, and South Korea, the United Kingdom, and Spain. Tata Motors is listed on the BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, where it is a constituent of the BSE SENSEX Index, the National Stock Exchange of India, and the New York Stock Exchange. The company is ranked 265th on the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's biggest corporations as of 2019. On January 17, 2017, Natarajan Chandrasekaran was appointed chairman of the company Tata Group. Tata Motors increased its UV market share to over 8% in FY 2019. History: Tata Sierra, 1991–2000. Tata Sumo, 1994–2019. Tata Motors was founded in 1945, as a locomotive manufacturer. Tata Group entered the commercial vehicle sector in 1954 after forming a joint venture with Daimler-Benz of Germany, in which Tata developed a manufacturing facility in Jamshedpur for Daimler lorries. By November 1954, Tata and Daimler manufactured their first goods carrier chassis at their Jamshedpur plant with 90 to 100 HP and capacity of 3 to 5 tons. After years of dominating the commercial vehicle market in India, Tata Motors entered the passenger vehicle market in 1991 by launching the Tata Sierra, a sport utility vehicle based on the Tata Mobile platform. Tata subsequently launched the Tata Estate, 1992, a station wagon design based on the earlier Tata Mobile, the Tata Sumo, 1994, a 5-door SUV, and the Tata Safari, 1998. Tata Indica, first generation. Tata launched the Indica in 1998. A newer version of the car, named Indica V2, later appeared. Tata Motors also exported cars to South Africa. In the 2000s, Tata Motors made a series of acquisitions and partnerships, acquiring Daewoo's South Korea-based truck manufacturing unit 13, a joint venture with the Brazil-based Marco Polo, Tata Marco Polo Bus, Jaguar Land Rover, 1516 Hispano Carrocera 19, and an 80% stake in the Italian design and engineering company Trilux. Operations: Tata Motors has vehicle assembly operations in India, the United Kingdom, South Korea, Thailand, Spain, and South Africa. It plans to establish plants in Turkey, Indonesia, and Eastern Europe. Tata Motors Cars. Main article: Tata Motors Cars. Tata Motors Cars is a division of Tata Motors which produces passenger cars under the Tata Motors hood. Tata Motors is among the top 5 passenger vehicle brands in India, with products in the compact, midsize car, and utility vehicle segments. 21 The company's manufacturing base in India is spread across Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, Pune, Maharashtra, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, Pantnagar, Uttarakhand, Dharwad, Karnataka, and Sanand, Gujarat. Tata's dealership, sales, service, and spare parts network comprise over 3,500 touchpoints. 21 Tata Motors has more than 250 dealerships in more than 195 cities across 27 states and 4 union territories of India. 22 It has the third largest sales and service network after Maruti Suzuki and Hyundai. Tata also has franchisee/joint venture assembly operations in Kenya, Bangladesh, Ukraine, Russia, and Senegal. 23 Tata has dealerships in 26 countries across 4 continents. 24 Tata is present in many countries, it has managed to create a large consumer base in the Indian subcontinent, namely India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. Tata is also present in Italy 25, Spain 26, Poland 27, Romania 28, Turkey 29, Chile 30, South Africa 31, Oman, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, Iraq, Syria, and Australia. Tata Daewoo. Main article, Tata Daewoo. Tata LPT trucks made at overseas plants. Tata Daewoo, officially Tata Daewoo Commercial Vehicle Company and formerly Daewoo Commercial Vehicle Company, is a commercial vehicle manufacturer headquartered in Gunsan, Jeollabuk-do, South Korea, and a wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Motors. It is the second largest heavy commercial vehicle manufacturer in South Korea and was acquired by Tata Motors in 2004. The principal reasons behind the acquisition were to reduce Tata's dependence on the Indian commercial vehicle market, which was responsible for around 94% of its sales in the MHCV segment and around 84% in the light commercial vehicle segment, and expand its product portfolio by leveraging on Daewoo's strengths in the heavy tonnage sector. Tata Motors has jointly worked with Tata Daewoo to develop trucks such as Novice and World Truck and buses including Globus and Starbus. In 2012, Tata began developing a new line to manufacture competitive and fuel-efficient commercial vehicles to face the competition posed by the entry of international brands such as Mercedes, Volvo, and Navistar into the Indian market. Tata Hispano. Main article, Tata Hispano. Tata Hispano Motors Carrocera, S.A. was a bus and coach manufacturer based in Zaragoza, Aragon, Spain, and a wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Motors. Tata Hispano has plants in Zaragoza, Spain, and Casablanca, Morocco. Tata Motors first acquired a 21% stake in Hispano Carrocera SA in 2005-33 and purchased the remaining 79% for an undisclosed sum in 2009, making it a fully owned subsidiary, subsequently renamed Tata Hispano. In 2013, Tata Hispano ceased production at its Zaragoza plant. TML Drivelines. TML Drivelines Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Motors engaged in the manufacture of gearboxes and axles for heavy and medium commercial vehicles. It has production facilities at Jamshedpur and Lucknow. TML Forge Division is also a recent acquisition of TML Drivelines. TML Drivelines was formed through the merger of HV Transmission and HV Axles. Tata Technologies. Tata Technologies Limited, TTL, is a 43% owned subsidiary of Tata Motors which provides design, engineering, and business process outsourcing services to the automotive industry. It is headquartered in Pune's Hinjawadi Business District and also has operations in London, Detroit, and Thailand. Its clients include Ford, General Motors, Honda, and Toyota. The British engineering and design services company Incat International, which specializes in engineering and design services and product life cycle management in the automotive, aerospace, and engineering sectors, is a wholly owned subsidiary of TTL. It was acquired by TTL in August 2005 for $4 billion. In 2017, TAL, a subsidiary of Tata Motors, manufactured India's first industrial articulated robot for micro, small, and medium enterprises 35. European Technical Centre. The Tata Motors European Technical Centre, TMEC, is an automotive design, engineering, and research company based at WMG, University of Warwick on the campus of the University of Warwick in England. It was established in 2005 and is a wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Motors. It was the joint developer of the World Truck 36. In September 2013, it was announced that a new National Automotive Innovation Campus would be built at WMG at Warwick's main campus at a cost of £100,037.38. The initiative will be a partnership between Tata Motors, the university, and Jaguar Land Rover, with £30 million in funding coming from Tata Motors. Subsidiaries. Jaguar Land Rover. Range Rover, L405. Main article, Jaguar Land Rover. Land Rover Defender. Land Rover Defender. Jaguar Land Rover plc is a premium British automaker headquartered in Whitley, Coventry, United Kingdom, and has been a wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Motors since June 2008, when it was acquired from Ford Motor Company of USA. Its principal activity is the development, manufacture and sale of Jaguar luxury and sports cars and Land Rover premium four-wheel drive vehicles. Jaguar Land Rover has 2 design centers and 3 assembly plants in the United Kingdom. Under Tata ownership, Jaguar Land Rover has launched new vehicles including the Range Rover Evoque, Jaguar F-Type, the Jaguar XE, the Jaguar XJ, X351, the second-generation Range Rover Sport, and Jaguar XF, the fourth-generation Land Rover Discovery, Range Rover Velar and the Range Rover L405. Land Rover Discovery Sport. J.D. Power, of the U.S., rates Land Rover and Jaguar as the 2 worst brands for initial quality. 41 The Jaguar F-Pace made Consumer Reports February 2019 list of the 10 least reliable cars. The editors cited electronics, drive system, power equipment, noises and leaks as problematic aspects. The Jaguar Land Rover subsidiary was struggling by 2019 and Tata Motors wrote down its investment in JLR by $3.9 billion. Much of the financial problem was due to a 50% drop in sales in China during 2019, although the situation was improving. Still, Tata was open to considering a partnership with another company according to a statement in mid-October, as long as the partnership agreement would allow Tata to maintain control of the business. The company ruled out the possibility of a sale of JLR to another entity. In July 2023, Tata announced its plans to invest £4 billion to build an electric car battery factory in the UK, which will be one of the largest of its kind in Europe. 46 The factory will be the company's first battery production facility outside India. 46 Located in Bridgewater, Somerset, the factory will supply Jaguar Land Rover's future battery electric models, including the Range Rover, Defender, Discovery, and Jaguar brands, with the potential to also supply other car manufacturers. 35 Production at the new facility is due to start in 2026. Joint ventures. Tata Marco Polo. Main article, Tata Marco Polo. A Tata Marco Polo bus in use in Chandigarh, India. Tata Marco Polo is a bus manufacturing joint venture between Tata Motors, 51%, and the Brazil-based Marco Polo SA, 49%. The joint venture manufactures and assembles fully built buses and coaches targeted at developing mass rapid transportation systems. It uses technology and expertise in chassis and aggregates from Tata Motors, and know-how in processes and systems for body building and bus body design from Marco Polo. Tata Marco Polo has launched a low-floor city bus which is widely used by transport corporations in many Indian cities. Its manufacturing facility is based in Dharwad, Karnataka State, India, and Lucknow, India. Tata Motors is expected to buy the 49% stake held by its partner Marco Polo in the bus-making joint venture for 100 crore by February 2021. The subsidiary will continue with the Marco Polo trademark for a minimum of 3 years with a non-compete provision in India for a corresponding period. Fiat Tata. Fiat Tata is an India-based joint venture between Tata and Stellantis. Fiat, which produces Fiat and Tata-branded passenger cars, as well as engines and transmissions. Tata Motors has gained access to Fiat's diesel engine and transmission technology through the joint venture. The two companies formerly also had a distribution joint venture through which Fiat products were sold in India through joint Tata Fiat dealerships. This distribution arrangement was ended in March 2013. Fiats have since been distributed in India by Fiat Automobiles India Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Fiat and now Tata Motors. Tata Hitachi Construction Machinery. Main article, Tata Hitachi Construction Machinery. Tata Hitachi Construction Machinery is a joint venture between Tata Motors and Hitachi which manufactures excavators and other construction equipment. Citation needed. It was previously known as Telkin Construction Solutions. Tata Motors European Technical Centre. The Tata Motors European Technical Centre is an automotive design, engineering, and research company. Citation needed. Company based at WMG, University of Warwick in the United Kingdom. Citation needed. It was established in 2005 and is wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Motors. It was the joint developer of the World Truck. Citation needed. In September 2013 it was announced that a new national automotive innovative campus would be built at WMG at Warwick's main campus at a cost of £92 million. 51 The initiative will be a partnership between Tata Motors, the university, and Jaguar Land Rover, with the £30 million in funding coming from Tata Motors.